What's going on, guys? Cash here from Grow Laredo, and welcome to our very first video installment of our video series that we're going to be putting out to help businesses continue to get online. We're going to be covering topics such as digital marketing, web development, content creation, and even event marketing and planning. So this video is for you to help you continue to grow your business. As always, if you need anything from Grow Laredo and we can help your business, feel free to drop a DM, drop a comment, like, share, comment, engage with us. If you have questions or you need help with a certain topic, we'd be glad to help. That said, let's jump into our first video, which is Google My Business. Let's do this.
Welcome to my screen. So here we go. Basically, the easiest way to get to Google My Business, go to Google My Business. All right, here we go. So let's call this your business, right? We're going to call this our business, right? Grow Laredo, right? So then we're going to just follow the prompts, and it's really straightforward from here. I'll show the importance of registering your business. So bear with me. We're going to speed through this process. Now, at this point, this is prompting you or asking you if you're a business that services customers outside your prospective area, you can add that, or you can add that later. I'm going to skip this for now. At this point, if you don't have a website, Google actually offers free websites for you, so you can actually set one up through Google My Business. That's another nice little perk for registering your business, and it's absolutely free. So at this point, you could click on this and you could start your own website. We already have growlaredo.com, which is developed by us, and obviously you could go the free route, but I am obligated to tell you that Grow Laredo does help businesses build websites. So if you need a website, let us know. However, for time purposes, we're going to skip through this part as well and go on to the next portion. All right, so at this point, you can either get a call, a text message. I have done business with Google, so they're giving me the option for a call or a text, which is going to give me a code. Let's do that now. Let me have them text me a code. That's simple, ladies and gentlemen. So now you will start to see your site being listed on Google. And as you could tell, Google My Business has developed over the years, and it's become more and more important. Here's why it becomes important. Once you have access to Google My Business, you're able to automatically post in real time, which is going to help with SEO. You're also able to update your information. So let's say that you have the wrong phone number, you have the wrong address. Google's going to give you the opportunity to do that through Google My Business. You can also get this nifty little tool called Insights. This will give you a clear picture on how many people are seeing your listing online, which is really, really nice, especially if you want to start to get into ads. That's right. If you want to create your own ads on Google, you can do that through this same platform. If you're interested in getting instant messaging from customers, if they're accessing Google through a mobile device, they can message you directly from their mobile device and from your Google listing, which is a pretty cool tool that Google has. More importantly, if you have reviews, Google will allow you to respond to those reviews online, which again becomes extremely important when you start to deal with customer satisfaction, customer feedback. You want other customers to see what other people have said about your business. Google My Business is a great way for you to start getting those reviews, or to start taking control of those reviews. I can't tell you how many businesses have not registered for Google My Business and have not answered the reviews. Sometimes it leaves them with 1 star and they only have 1 review. So the possibilities to scale your business and grow your business and manage your reputation online becomes more and more important with Google My Business. So there's a lot of great things that you can kind of run through here. You can add photos. Again, remember I talked about that website. You can come in here and you can actually add your own website, and you can start your own business website here. And their platform, not too bad. It's pretty simple and clean. You can add photos, you can update the text, and very SEO friendly, ladies and gentlemen. And what are we talking about SEO? Well, that'll be in some of our upcoming videos, which is search engine optimization. For now, I do want to encourage you to like, share, and comment. Subscribe, please. We're trying to build up our channel right now. So subscribe. And as always, if you need any help or we can help you with anything else here at Grow Laredo, feel free to reach out and drop a comment